right, so how's everybody doing today? So today we got a personal friend's car. His name is Matt. He works at Mercedes. He has a CLS550. This car carries an M278 V8 twin turbo engine, 4.4 liter car. So if you want to take a quick look at this car's got black boost intakes. This car is sporting our M-Tech Performance downpipes. He's got some aftermarket wheels for a little bit of weight reduction and a little bit of a bigger sidewall tire on it. So when we first tuned this car, we pretty much just loaded an off-the-shelf file, you could call it, into his car, and he's having some CLS wars, we like to call it, at his dealer, and he's getting beat by a couple of people. So we're gonna put the car on the dyno today. We're gonna make some pulls how it is now with the off-the-shelf file, and we're gonna try to make a little bit of adjustments and see if we could tweak it a little and make a little bit more power out of this car. So once we're done making the most power we can out of the 93 octane file, we're then going to move forward and add some ethanol into the car and do an E30 file, and then hopefully we can win this guy some races. All right, so we went ahead and we made two base pulls of how the car sits now with our downpipes, intakes, and our off-the-shelf file. Car did actually pretty well. Right now stands at 524 and 531 wheel horsepower. The first pull was 524, second pull was 531. These cars actually tend to pick up a little bit of horsepower once you do like the second or even the third pull. But we went ahead and we got a log. We're gonna make some adjustments and see if we can pull a little bit more power out of this car while being on the 93 octane file, and then we're gonna move forward to the E30, so stay tuned. All right, so as promised, we were able to pick up some power for Matt's car. So if you guys take a look at this graph right now, you can see the blue graph is how the car came in with our off-the-shelf file for say, in its stage 2 form. It made 524 wheel horsepower and 595 wheel torque. After we were done making some adjustments with tuning, we were able to make 540 on 93, and now we were also able to make 564 wheel horsepower with E30 in the car. So now with the custom E30 file on this car, we were able to pick up some substantial gains in the mid-range. At 4,700 RPM, we made 489 before, and now we are making 543 wheel horsepower at that 4,700 RPM mark. As well at this RPM, the torque increase, we were originally making 552 on 93. Now with the custom E30 file, we're making 613 wheel torque. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video on the CLS550. I pretty much wanted to show you guys some of the things that we offer. So we do offer this service remotely. If anybody wanted to tune their CLS550 with us, we can send you our handheld device and we can get you all set up remotely. So if you're interested in something like that, click the link below and we'll be able to take care of you. If you do decide to click that link in the bio for a tune for your car, you can also request any kind of burble you're looking for. If you're looking for a very loud gunshot burble that stays on for a very long duration, you could ask for that. If you're looking for something a little more classy like what's on this car, you could ask for that as well.